Meet Caveman. Me ask you question. How you know what other human think, if no word come from mouth? Tribe think me magic when me guess who angry, who shy, who want share meat. But truth, no magic. Me just learn secret language, body language. Today, me teach you two. 1. Eyes like spear point. When hunters stare long, sharp eyes, he ready fight or defend. When eyes soft, blink slow, he trusty friend. Eyes tell truth faster than mouth. 2. Arms and hands speak loud. Arms crossed like shield mean, stay away. Open hands mean, come, share fire. Watch hands. They wave truth before lips even move. 3. Feet betray heart. Caveman learn. Feet always point where heart won't go. If mate's feet point to you, they want stay. If point to cave exit, they ready run faster than mammoth. 4. Face change like sky. Smile like morning sun mean peace. Tight jaw, flared nose, storm coming. Face a sky map of feelings. Learn to read it. You know when to hunt words, when to stay quiet. 5. Copy tribe, earn trust. When you move like other, they feel safe. Sit same, nod same, breathe same, like echo in cave. Copy gentle, not silly. This secret makes strangers feel like family. So Caveman say, words easy break, but body never lie. Watch eyes, arms, feet, face, and copy tribe. Then you read secret language without one word spoken. If Caveman wisdom light fire in your brain, smash magic button. Join tribe. Next story. Caveman secret. How to win any argument without throw spear.